I'm Sally Jacks. This is my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe and put your thumbs up, and then you can follow me for all the vlogs that I'm doing. If you've watched previously, then I have done a vlog about a wobbly eyeball wreath for Halloween. If you look at previous footage on the YouTube channel, you'll be able to pick it up on how I made the actual wreath. But for those of you that have watched it, you're probably noticing that there's a skeleton on there. Now this skeleton, so this is my next step, because I've got a third step to do on this. So this skeleton was a normal coloured skeleton, so you know, sort of bone colour. I always say that, it's stupid, isn't it? So bone colour. And I've taken a metallic spray by Plasticoat, the brilliant metallic spray, and I've sprayed it out in the back garden, well ventilated area, don't forget, so you're not affecting kids and animals, etc., and yourself. Let it dry, and then what I've done is at the back of this, I've actually put a wire that I've glued on, and I put a little bit of sellotape as well. I've glued on so he's sat cross-legged. Can you see? And then I've glued his other leg in place so he's sat cross-legged. I've tilted his head and stuck it with hot glue onto the back of the ping pong ball, the back of his head. And then I've sat him in place. You're probably looking, now I actually ordered a little top hat from eBay, but when it came it was way too small, so I've made this out of glitter cardstock, which is from Create and Craft, and black cardstock, because the other side of the glitter cardstock was white, so I backed it with black, and then all I did was cut out a strip, rolled it round a little bit like the candles, stuck a top on it, and then a wider brim, and then stuck it on his hat, on his head, with hot glue. So that was really easy to do. And then I've got a spider which I think I'm going to put on there. I've just put it on as a bracelet at the moment. It came in one of the pound bags from the pound store. But I'm going to make a sign that goes above his head, because I'm either going to have him holding it or it's going to be above his head. And I'm thinking I might put a cigarette coming out of his mouth. I don't know yet, but I think that's quite a sort of, I know it's not cool to smoke, but it looked cool. Do you know what I mean? But I don't smoke and I never have. So anybody that says, oh no, that's funny good, no, I don't agree with it, but I just think it looked cool on him. Because you don't see any skeletons smoking, do you? Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. This is the next part of the eyeball wreath. I will be doing the third part as soon as I've got my act together, but trying to do so much, and I'm working all week as well. I am down in Peterborough this week, on the television, so I will see you tomorrow and the day after and the day after. So make sure you stay with us and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Love you. Bye.